Hi, Praveen Benis here from FightYourInfertility.com, where we have been blogging about infertility problems for over 10 years. One of the most common questions women ask when they are struggling to get pregnant is, why am I having a hard time getting pregnant? So, in this video, I will reveal why getting pregnant becomes hard and how to fix it. Before I answer this question, I want to tell one important thing. Doctors are constantly telling you that something is wrong in your body and therefore the treatment is not working. Your mind also believes what your doctors are saying. You are therefore always haunted by thoughts of doubt and fear about your body's ability to conceive. Doubt and fear can disturb your body balance and shut down your body pharmacy completely. Studies proved this. Getting pregnancy becomes hard and difficult for you due to these two reasons. 1. Doctors are not telling you the truth. 2. Your fear and doubt about your body's ability to conceive. What your doctors are saying is far from the truth. When your doctors say there is nothing you can do, you have to interpret this as there is nothing I can do. Yes, it is true, doctors can't do much, but you can do much and conceive easily, and I will get into this little later. Coming to your question, here is my answer. Perhaps you never heard this answer from anywhere, including your doctors. I am therefore requesting your undivided attention to this answer as it could change your life. Here is the answer to your question. Why am I having a hard time getting pregnant? You are having a hard time getting pregnant because there is a disconnection between your body and the mind. So, disconnection between the body and the mind is the root cause of your fertility and hormonal problems. Let me prove this with one fascinating example. Did you know women's cycle statistics? Modern woman menstruates 450 times in her life. Woman begins her menstrual cycles by the average age of 16. Woman stops her menstrual cycles by the average age of 51. What these facts prove about women's body structure and its purpose. During prime age, 15 to 50 years of women's life, women's body has one purpose only. It is getting ready for sex, pregnancy, giving birth, nurturing children, love and relationship. All the body systems, including endocrine systems, are structured to support these activities. How your body and mind are disconnected. Modern women, due to compulsions of modern world, started emulating masculine traits of assertive, aggressive and goal-oriented, competing with men in every walk of the life, and they are successful also. So, sex, pregnancy, giving birth, nurturing children, love and relationship are not the priority to career-oriented women. So, the body is doing feminine activities, mind is doing masculine things. As a consequence, there is a disconnection between the body and the mind. Disconnection between your body and the mind is the root cause of all your infertility and hormonal problems. The real solution to infertility problem is reconnecting your body and mind by changing of diets, nutrition, change of the mind. But doctors are not trained in the subjects of diet, nutrition and mind management. Then how can you expect pregnancy simply depending on modern medicine alone? But here is the good news for you. You can reconnect your body and mind yourself and get pregnant simply changing your mind, changing your diets, changing your lifestyle and changing your mind. What your doctors can't do over the years, you can do it yourself in 3 months or less. So, just to recap, constantly remind yourself that getting pregnancy is easy. You have to constantly remember that your doctors are conditioning you to believe that getting pregnancy is hard, and your mind is also enslaved to this wrong conditioning. So you have to constantly remind yourself that getting pregnancy is easy to reprogram your mind. Whenever doubt and fear enters into your mind, immediately you have to remember yourself that it is the conditioning of your doctors, but not the truth. So, getting pregnancy is easy provided you consciously reconnect your body and the mind. If you enjoy this video, then you may like to check out our free report, How Not to Remain Infertile. In this free report, you will know how to reconnect your body and mind. You can download it from our website. Click the link given in the description for more details. Our mission is to support women fighting infertility, and therefore give your valuable comments whether our content is helping you or not. Your comments are precious for us to come up with new ideas so that we can support even better.